Throughout your studies, you're expected to find high-quality resources to support your assignments. The library collection is an essential place to find information. In this video, we'll show you how to find books and articles in our library collection. To start, go to the library search page. Click on the search box and enter your keywords. As you start typing, you can see there are options to search different areas of the collection. Everything searches for books, articles, and other things across the library's collection, like newspapers, videos, and dissertations. Select Search. Use the left side menu to limit or refine your results by availability, resource type, and publication date. Today we are looking for books and articles, so we will select these under Resource Type. Be sure to select Apply Filters to refine your results. You can see that all the results now are either books or articles. Books are a great place to start your research. They cover the big picture, answering questions like what, who, where, when, and how. Journal articles focus on a specific topic area. To save a record to view later, select the pin icon on the top right-hand side of the title. You can view your saved items by selecting the pin icon at the top of the page. The icon next to it allows you to view your search history. To view the full record of a book, click on the title. Select Citation to view the reference of the item, or select one of the referencing tools to export the citation. Under Locations, you can see where the book is located. Open Collection indicates that this is held on the shelf in the library. Note the number so you can find the book on the shelf. Locate shows you where to go. Some books will be held in the Library Retrieval System, or LRS. This is an underground storage facility. To borrow books from the LRS, you will need to sign in with your UTS ID and password. Select Request and follow the prompts. You will receive an email or text message when the item is available for pickup from Reserve on level 7 of the library next to the service desk. Some books are in high demand and will be held in Reserve. You can still borrow these books, but only for 3 hours at a time. Other books will be available online. To view these, click on the link and follow the prompts. Today we search for articles as well as books. If you find an article you're interested in, click on the title to view more details. Here, you have the same cite and save options as you do books. To access the full text of the article, select any of the links under Full Text Availability and follow the prompts. In this video, we covered searching for books and articles in the library collection, refining search results, identifying the location of a book, and accessing ebooks and articles.